Hello, dear students. Welcome to your science class. We are studying the second chapter, that is nutrition in animals. And in this chapter, we have studied the topic like food habits. Depending on condition, there are different food habits of animals like herbivores, which depend only on plants, carnivores, which depend on flesh of other animals, omnivores, which depend on plant as well as flesh, like human is the omnivores type. So now let us study about nutrition in animals. As we all know, nutrition in animals takes place by heterotrophic mode, and it includes the various ways by which they consume food and drive nutrients. And for what nutrients are needed? It is needed for the growth and development, and even you can say the maintenance of your body. So how the nutrition takes place? In nutrition, into the food has been converted into smaller and simpler substances, because they are having the complex substances like carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins and fats, which you have already studied that they are essential elements present in your body. So these complex substances has been broken down into simpler forms, and the process of nutrition in animals involve five major steps. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So let us study step by step. So first step is considered as ingestion. Ingestion word is just to inject. So what we are in by nutrition? We are injecting the food. So ingestion is the process of taking food into the body through the mouth. In different organisms, like in humans, there is a distinct organ like mouth. You can consider the higher grade animals, but in unicellular organisms or any other animals, there are different modes of taking in the food, which we have studied also. Next is the step is considered as digestion. Digestion is a process in which complex food molecules has been broken down into smaller, simpler substances with the help of enzymes and various digestive juices which have been produced in the body. Next step is absorption. As you all know, absorption, it is the word to absorb. And what has been absorbed? So in absorption, absorbing the process of absorbing the simple substance in which the food has been broken down, and it can be done by the various parts of the body. As soon as the absorption process is over, the nutrients, the simple substances which has been absorbed by the body, then the next process is assimilation. In this process of using the absorbed food for growth and obtaining energy, it means after the food nutrient has been absorbed, the next thing is to circulate in the whole body for growth, for maintenance, for obtaining energy. Next and the last process is egestion. Egestion, after the digestion, absorption, assimilation, all the process has been gone, then the next step is that the parts which are undigested, or you can say the unwanted food material, or you can say the waste material of your body also, after the wanted material, or you can say the nutrients which has been absorbed in the body, then the waste material or the undigested food material has been taken out or has been removed from your body. This process is known as egestion. So all these five steps include and forms the nutrition, and for just utilized for the nutrition in animals. These processes involves for the process of nutrition in animals. Hope you all have understand well.